Good morning, students. This is 11th standard biobotany video class, video 1. In this video, we are going to see the families of angiosperm. Dear students, in the regular class, I told you two families is there, dicot families and monocot families. In dicot families, we have already seen potato family, that is Solanaceae, and its general characteristic feature. Then individual genus Datura methyl we have seen in the regular class. Now we are going to see the another dicot family, Fabaceae, otherwise known as P family, that means Patani. Systematic position is the important 2-mark question. APG classification as well as Bentham-Walker classification. APG, kingdom Plantae, clade angiosperm, clade Eudicot, clade Rosids, order Fabales, family Fabaceae. According to Bentham-Walker classification, kingdom Plantae, class Dicotyledonnae, subclass Polypetalae. So what is Polypetalae? Petalae means petals, poly which means petals are free, they are not united. So those petals are known as Polypetalae, coming under subclass Polypetalae. Series Caliciflorae. So what is Caliciflorae? So based upon the shape of the thalamus. Thalamus means where the floral pods are located. For example, if you are taking the rose flower, we are removing all the petals. A small disc-shaped structure is we can able to see. That one is said to be the thalamus. The shape of the thalamus is cup-shaped. That is known as Caliciflorae. That is series. Order Rosales, family Fabaceae. Now, general characters of family Fabaceae. This family contains 741 genera, more than 20,200 species. And also, these family members are cosmopolitan in distribution. That means worldwide distribution. Particularly, they are present, abundant or large quantity in tropical and subtropical region. Next one, habit. Habit means based upon the height of a plant, they are divided into herb, shrub and tree. Herb means up to 3 feet height from the ground level, shrub 7 feet in height, trees more than 7 feet. So here in this family members, they are showing all the type of habits, not only herb, shrub and trees. Some of the plants are climber, some of them which are living in the water. Then woody climber is also there. So this family members shows all type of habits. Herb plant example Crotalaria. In Tamil it is known as Kiligilipechadi. Prostrate Indigofera Eneophila. Erect Crotalaria vercurosa. Prostrate means the stem portion which is partly horizontal and partly erect. So that is known as decumbent அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க. So prostrate means it will be horizontal in position. Then shrub, bushy appearance, look like 7 feet in height. Gajanus, gajan, துவரம்பருப்பு. Small trees, Sesbania. Climbers, Clitoria, Sangupu. Large tree, பொங்கேமியா கிளாப்ரா, தட் மீன்ஸ் புங்க மரம், சோப்பு மரம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, சோப்புக்காய். டால்பர்ஜியா லாட்டிஃபோலியா. woody climber, that means linus. Example mucuna. Hydrophyte. Acymonine aspera. Acyno mean aspera. These are all the different habits of family Fabaceae. This Acymone aspera is otherwise known as pith plant. Kindly make a 1 mark question in your textbook. Dash plant is known as pith plant. Acyno mean aspera is otherwise known as pith plant. So next, root region. It is a dicot plant. So taproot system are present in this family members. The root region, they are containing the root nodules. See the diagram. A plant which are showing the root with the nodules. A small button shaped structure which is present in the root region, that is known as root nodule. So these root nodules which are containing the bacteria, for example rhizobium, which is fixing the atmospheric nitrogen into the soil. So the root of these plants and the bacteria which are showing the symbiotic association, that means mutual understanding relationship. How they are showing the mutual understanding? That means this bacteria which is present in the root nodules fixing the atmospheric nitrogen into the soil, because the plant cannot absorb the nitrogen from the atmosphere. In turn, the plants which are giving the food material and a living place to the bacteria, that is said to be mutual relationship, otherwise known as symbiotic relationship. See the name of a nitrogen fixing bacteria, Rhizobium leguminosarum, is the important 1 mark question. The Fabaceae family members, the root of the Fabaceae family members which contains the nitrogen fixing bacteria dash. The answer is Rhizobium leguminosarum. That is the root of Fabaceae family. Next, stem. All the plants stem are aerial, that means above the ground level. Herbaceous, that means they are showing the somewhat bushy appearance, or herb plant. Woody plant, that means some of the plants they are showing the woody twining or climbing. So woody twining, example Dalbergia latifolia, or woody climbing Clitoria. In Tamil it is known as Sangupu. Next one, leaf. Leaves are simple, that means a ordinary leaf. So if I asked you to draw a diagram of a leaf, means you are simply drawing that simple leaf, isn't it? That is said to be leaf simple or unifoliate. Unifoliate means the leaf which is end with, the stalk of a leaf which is end with only one leaf, that is known as unifoliate. Foliage means young leaf or leaf. Uni means single. So at the tip of a stalk of leaf contains only one leaf is known as unifoliate leaf. Example Desmodium giganticum. Another one, bifoliate. At the tip of the stalk of a leaf contains two leaves. Bi means two. Foliate means what is that one? Leaf. Okay. Example Zornia diphylla. Trifoliate. Tri means three leaves. Example Lablab purpureus. Alternate. So the leaves which are arranging in the form of zigzag manner, left right like that. So one node they are having leaf, means in the alternate side they are having the another leaf. So left right like that they are arranging the form of phyllotaxy, is known as alternate phyllotaxy. Stipulate at the base of the leaf. That means stalk of a leaf. Stalk of a leaf is otherwise known as petiole. We already studied in the morphology lesson. Stalk of a leaf is known as petiole. At the base of the petiole or stalk, a small hair-like paired appendages which is present on either side of the petiole is known as stipulate. Stipules, the leaf with the stipules are known as stipulate leaves. Leaf base in some of the plant at the stalk of a petiole, the base of a leaf is somewhat showing the modified form, that is known as leaf base. Pulvinate. So pulvinate means in some of the plant it will be showing the bulged nature at the base of the petiole, that is known as pulvinous or pulvinate. It is a dicot plant, so showing the reticulate venation. In Pisum sativum, patani chedi, the terminal leaflets at the tip, they are containing the leaves, young leaves, known as leaflets. These leaflets are modified into coiled wire-like structure is called tendril, because this Pisum sativum pea plant, patani chedi irukliya, it will be a weak stemmed plant. They are unable to stand erect, nera nikka mudiyadhu. They need some mechanical support. So they need one host plant. To twine the host plant, the tip of the stem contains leaflets. They are known as terminal leaflet, which is modified into coiled wire-like substance called tendril. Is an important 1 mark question. In Pisum sativum plants, dash are modified into tendril is a one type of question. Terminal leaflet. The other type of question is terminal leaflets are modified into tendril in dash plant, that is Pisum sativum. Make a note in your textbook. Next one, inflorescence. So here the family members showing the raceme inflorescence. Example, Crotalaria vercosa. Panicle, that means raceme of raceme or compound raceme in Dalbergia latifolia. Axillary solitary. Axillary means the stalk of a flower which is arising in the axile position, that is axillary. At the tip of the flower stalk contains only one flower or single flower, that is known as axillary solitary flower. Example, Clitoria ternacea is another important 1 mark question. Next, flowers. Flowers are bracteate flower. What is bract? All the flowers which are arising the green color paired appendages located at the base of the pedicel. Pedicel means stalk of a flower, பூவினுடைய காம்பு, that is said to be pedicel. So that paired hair-like appendages known as bract. Flower with bract are known as bracteate flower. Next one, bracteolate. A whorl which is located around the calyx. Calyx means green in color. Pacha color irukliya flower la. That means there is the first whorl of a flower. So outer this calyx whorl, some hair-like outgrowths are present. The number may be vary, is known as epicalyx. Epi means outer. Outer to the calyx is known as epicalyx. Individual one of epicalyx is known as bracteole. Flower with a bracteole is known as bracteolate flower. Next, pedicellate. Now only I told you stalk of a flower. பூவினுடைய காம்பு. That is pedicel. Flower with a pedicel is known as pedicellate. Complete. That means all the four whorls are present. Calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium are present means complete flower. Bisexual. Both the sex organs, male sex organ, female sex organs present in the same flower is known as bisexual. Pentamerous. That means petals are 5 in number. That is said to be pentamerous. Heteroclamidious. That is flower is distinctly divided into calyx and corolla. That is known as heteroclamidious or dichlamydious flower. That means calyx and corolla are distinctly seen or clearly seen in the flower. Zygomorphic. That means the flower which can able to divide it into only one median plane at the center and divided into two equal parts. That is zygomorphic. Hypogynous. The ovary which is located at the top. Other floral whorls are at the base. That type of flower is known as hypogynous flower. Sometimes they are showing the perigynous. Perigynous means the ovary which is attached to the thalamus. The other floral parts are located at the middle position of the ovary or arising middle position of the ovary is known as perigynous flower. That is the flower of Fabaceae family. Next, calyx. It is the first whorl of a flower. Individual one of a calyx is known as sepal. Here in the family members, sepals are 5 in number. So sepal 5. Always green in color, green. Synsepalous. That means sepals are united. Joined ayirundha, that is said to be synsepalous. Then more or less united in a tube and persistent. That means all the sepals are joined together to form a tubular like substance and also persistent. That means at the end of the fruit formation and also growth of a fruit also. That means along with the fruit growth and development, the calyx is also present. That is known as persistent. So entire life cycle of the plant, the calyx is present in the plant region. That is known as persistent. Then the estivation is valvate. That means a sepal's margin are meeting at their edges but not overlapping. That is known as valvate or imbricate estivation. Odd sepal is anterior in position. Normally in other family members, odd sepal is posterior in position at the top. But here the odd sepal is anterior in position of this family. Next one, corolla. Individual one of a corolla is petal. Here also petals are 5. We already studied. Flowers are pentamerous. That means 5 petals. Petals 5. Apopetallous. Apo means free. They are not united. Free petallous. Unequal in size and also shape. Size and shape is different. That is said to be unequal. And the shape is look like papilionaceous corolla. That is butterfly corolla. Shape of the butterfly. Vexillary or descendingly imbricate estivation. So vexillary means the odd petal which is present at the top, which are overlapping the lateral two petals. These lateral two petals which are overlapping the inner two petals, that is known as vexillary or descendingly imbricate estivation. Then each and every petals which are having a small stalk-like portion is known as claw. நகம் மாதிரி நீட்டாக அப்படியே வளர்ந்துருக்கும். Each and every one having a small claw-like structure at the base. In this family members, corolla showing unequal sepal. The outermost petal, the outermost petal which is larger in size, will be very large, is known as vexillum or standard petal. Then the lateral two petals are shape is look like lanceolate and curved shape. They are called wing petal. ரக்க மாதிரி இருக்கு. Wing petal or ala petal. Then anterior two petals are partly fused. That means at the base only they are slightly fused, are called keel petal or carina petal, which encloses the stamens and the pistil. So this is the corolla shape of a Fabaceae family members. Write a short note on corolla of Fabaceae family members. Is a very very important 3-mark question, or they'll ask the question, write a short notes on papilionaceous corolla. Is another important 3-mark question. Next, androecium. Individual one of the androecium is stamen. It is the male reproductive part. Number of stamen is 10. They are arranged in 2 bundles. 9 stamens are joined together, form a 1 bundle. Remaining only 1 stamen forming another bundle, that means second bundle. So 2 bundles are present here. That is said to be adulpi. Here 2 bundles is there, diadulpous stamen. Usually in Clitoria, 9+1 arrangement. The odd stamen, that means only 1 stamen which is separately located, present in the posterior in position. In another plant, in Acynomene aspera, the stamens are fused to form a 2 bundle containing 5 stamens, 5+5. Stamens are monoadulpous and dimorphic, that is 5 stamens are long filaments and 5 stamens are shorter filaments in some other plants. But see the Acynomene aspera, the filaments are not fused. Which one is fused? The stamens are fused to form 2 bundles containing 5 stamens, that means 5+5. In another plant, the stamens are forming only 1 bundle, that is monoadulpous, and dimorphic. Dimorphic means morphologically they are showing the difference. What difference they are showing externally? Based upon the length. 5 stamens are longer filament. Another 5 stamens are shorter filament. So in Crotalaria vercosa, the stamens are found in 2 levels, and the shape of the anther is also varies. 5 anthers are long and lanceolate, and other 5 anthers are short and blunt. Anthers are dithecous. Theca means lobe, chamber. 2 lobe is there. Dithecous. Attached to the filaments at the base, there is base fixed, and deck is in a vertical line. that is said to be longitudinally. Longitudinally dehisces and liberate the pollen grains outside. Next, gynecium is a female reproductive organ. Carpels are only one, monocarpellary. Number of carpels is equal to the number of locule. Locule means chamber. Inside the chamber only they are having the carpels. So it is unicarpellary or monocarpellary means locule is also unilocular. Ovary is at the top, so superior ovary. The ovules are arranged in two alternating rows attached on marginal placentation. We all know that one. When you are open the pea plant, patani chedi, both the sides we can able to see the seeds which are attached to the margin of a seed pod cover. Fruit cover ku seed pod. That placentation is called marginal placentation. Style is very simple, and also they are showing the bent nature. Valanjirukum. Stigma flattened or feathery. The family members fruits are known as legume fruit. For example, avaraka, பீக்கங்கா, பீன்ஸு, கொத்தவரங்காய் எல்லாமே என்ன ஷேப்பில் இருக்கோ அந்த ஷேப்புக்கு பேர் லெக்யூம் ஃப்ரூட் அப்படின்னு பேர். எக்ஸாம்பிள் பைசம் சட்டேவம் பட்டாணி செடி. Sometimes indehiscence and rarely a lumentum. In some of the plants, the fruits are not dehisce, vedikad. The entire fruit is destroy, algi. They are liberate the seeds outside. That is said to be indehiscent. And rarely, the shape is look like lumentum, means tamarind. புளியங்கா புளி எப்படி இருக்கோ அந்த ஷேப்பில் இருந்தால் அதுக்கு பேர் lumentum in desmodium. In some plants named Arachis hypogaea, அப்படின்னா peanut, மலாட்டை. The fruit is geocarpic. Carpel mean fruit seed. The seed which are producing inside the soil or earth region, isn't it? That is said to be geocarpic. Dear students, what is geocarpic fruit? Give example. Is the important 2-mark question. A fruit which develops and matures under the soil is known as geocarp. Example, Arachis hypogaea. Dear students, don't write the English name peanut or malatta in Tamil. You have to write only the binomial name for the example, that is Arachis hypogaea. Then, after fertilization, a stipe of the ovary. Stipe means a ovary which are containing a small stalk-like portion is known as stipe. So the stipe of the ovary becomes meristematic. That means undergo division and grow down into the soil. This ovary gets buried into the soil and developed into a fruit. That means how Arachis hypogaea peanut produced under the soil. That's why they are given here. After fertilization, the stalk of a ovary is known as stipe, undergo meristematic division, that means cell division, and grows down into the soil and make the ovary to get buried in the soil and developed into fruit. That is said to be geocarpic fruits. Next, seed, endospermic. That means it contains large amount of endosperm. Or non-endospermic. For example, Pisum sativum. The shape of the seeds are kidney shaped or reniform. For example, மொச்சக்கொட்டை அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம், தட்டைப்பயிறு அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம், கொள்ளு, பெரும்பயிறுன்னு சொல்லுவோம், காராமணி பயிறுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. தென் அவரைக்காய், பீக்கங்காய், not பீக்கங்காய், அவரைக்காய், கொத்தவரங்காய், everything contains seeds inside. If you are having at home, please make a note about the fruit. Inside the fruit they are containing the seeds. The shape of the seeds is kidney shape or reniform. That's important. One more question. The shape of the Fabaceae family members seed is dash shaped, means reniform or kidney shape. So, dear students, this is the general characteristic features of family Fabaceae. I hope have you all understood, thought in the video. Remaining, we will see in the next video class. God bless you. All the best, children.